From small to large-scale operations, property maintenance is an integral part of keeping your investment protected for years. From unpredictable, harsh and stormy weather to the "I just haven't got around to it" excuse, your property can fall victim to brush and debris buildup from fallen branches, scattered sticks, and rampant root systems, ruining the natural beauty of your property. Clean your yard quickly with the HLA Attachments Landscape lineup. Break ground again with HLA's Root Rake. This gives operators improved precision when digging and stacking, all while maintaining a constant grip on the load. Designed for reliability when tackling the toughest of jobs, the HLA Root Rake is constructed out of high-tensile steel for longer life. When necessary, the Root Rake is able to sink its teeth just a few inches underneath the surface to pull tree stumps, root systems, and debris to the top, leaving only valuable soil behind. The independent dual grapple provides a tight grip on the load while transporting. It can also be used to pull debris away from buildings or fences, making it the ideal for debris cleanup virtually anywhere. Once the surface has been reclaimed, the brush grapple gently glides across the surface, collecting the remaining branches and debris. The HLA brush grapple has been engineered to handle large load stacking to small debris pushing and handling. The grapple opens 48 inches wide, allowing operators to confidently tackle oversized and awkward loads with ease. Since both the Root Rake and the brush grapple can be easily attached to any front-end loader in seconds, there's no reason to skip the cleanup. Lastly, reclaim your lost area with the Stump Bucket. This heavy-duty Stump Bucket is the ideal tool for anyone looking to remove unsightly stumps and improve the look and function of their yard. Rather than grinding over the problem, the HLA Stump Bucket is designed to rip through roots and remove stumps from the source, while still providing the versatility of digging out boulders, fence posts, and concrete slabs. The Stump Bucket is equipped with 3 digging teeth for hand-like precision when lifting and digging underneath awkwardly placed stumps and boulders, while the serrated side edges cut through vines and roots with ease. The bucket is also slightly arched for greater leverage when prying out deep-rooted stumps. Don't put owning a beautiful property on your bucket list with the heavy-duty Root Rake, brush grapple, and Stump Bucket from HLA Attachments at your disposal. For more information on this product or others, visit us at www.hlaattachments.com or call us today to get expert advice on your next attachment.